Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and as you all know that we have already started the chapter number 3 and we have completed the exercises up to 3.5. So today we will start exercise 3.6, in which in question number 1 we have to find the HCF. Find the HCF of the following and the first part is 18 and 48. So there are many methods to find the HCF. Today we will learn how to find the HCF using the listing the factors method. Listing the factors method, in which we are supposed to find the factors of 18 as well as the factors of 48. Factors of 18 and factors of 48. So the factors of 18 we will use that the same method, divide by 1, that is 18, 18 divided by 2, 9, 18 divided by 3, 18 divided by 4, no, 18 divided by 5, no, 18 divided by 6, already have been repeated 6 and 3, so we will not consider that. We will make a box here and the numbers inside the box will be the factors of 18. At the same time we will find the factors of 48. 48 divided by 1, 48, 48 divided by 2, 24, 48 divided by 3. Here the divisibility rules comes into play. Means if we know the divisibility rule, we can easily find assess by which number it is divisible or by which number it is not divisible. 48 divided by 4, 48 divided by 6, 48 divided by 8. So again 6 and 8 have been repeated, so we will not consider that. We will consider only up till here and we will draw one box and the numbers in the boxes will be the factors. So the factors of 18 will be 1, 2, 3, then 6, then 9 and 18, and the factors of 48 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So now we will circle the common factors. 1 always common, 2 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here, then 4 is here, not here, 6 is here, 6 is here. Now 9 is not there and 18 is not there. So HCF will be of 18 and 48 will be the product of the common factors, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 6, that is 6 3 is 18, 18 2 is 36, but that is not the case. We cannot find like this. How to find? First of all we are supposed to find the common factors. We will list the common factors. Common factors. So we will write the common factors 1, 2, 3 and 6, and we have to find the HCF. Full form of HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor. So these are the common factor. इसमें highest common factor कौन सा है? That is 6. First of all, we will list the factors, then we will circle the common factors, we will write the common factors, and out of these common factors we are supposed to select the highest one, the number having the largest value, that is 6. Now 6 can divide 18 as well as 48. There is no number larger than 6 which can divide both these numbers. So this is the way how we have to proceed. At the same time, we will take one more part in which 3 numbers have been given. So we will take part number that is G. In the G, 3 numbers are given, and 3 numbers are 70, 105 and 175. So we will list the factors of 70, factors of 105, factors of 175. So factors of 70 divided by 1, that is 70, 70 divided by 2, that is 35. 70 is not divisible by 3 or 4, 70 is divisible by 5, and 70 is not divisible by 6, 70 is divisible by 7, and 70 is not divisible by 8 or 9, 70 is divisible by 10. So 7 already repeated and 10 already repeated, so we will not consider the second one, we will consider only this one. This is the box of the factors of 70. At the same time, we will find the factors of 105. 105 divided by 1, that is 105. 105 cannot be divisible by 2, so this will be divisible by 3. Why by 3? Because 5 plus 1 6, 6 comes in the table of 3, that's why it is divisible by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15. Then this is divisible by not divisible by 4, this is divisible by 5, that is 21. Afterwards, it is not divisible by 6, it is divisible by 7. And afterwards, it is divisible by only 15, 7 times. So 7 already repeated, 15 already repeated, so we will not consider that. We will take this box, and these are the factors of 105. Now 175. 175 divided by 1, that is 175. That will not be divisible by 2 or 3. 7 plus 8 plus 5 13, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4, it is divisible by 5, that is 5 3 is 15, 2 5 5 is 25. Then it will be divisible by 7, and afterwards it will be divisible by 25, that is 7 already repeated and 25 already repeated. So, we have already calculated or find out the factors of 70, 105 and 175. Factors of 70 are 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, then 14, 35 and 70. Factors of 105 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 15, 21, 35, 105, and the factors of 175 are 1, 5, 7, 25, 35 and 175. So, now we will erase these factors because we are not having the sufficient space. The next step will be, first of all, circle the common factors. 1 will be there in each one. Afterwards, 2 is here but not here, 3 is here but not here, then 7 is there in all the factors as well, 5 is also there. Then after 7, then 14 is here but not here, then 35 is here, 35 is here, 35 is here. So, these are the common factors. Common factors will be 1, 5, 7 and 35. Which is the HCF, means highest among these common factors, that is HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is 35, because 35 is the largest one out of these 4. So, 35 is the answer. Using this method we can proceed the questions given, the parts given in this question number 1. I hope that you have understood the method. There can be different method in your book. The prime factorization method is also there. We will discuss that method tomorrow, but today we have to discuss this method. That method, again I am writing the name, listing the factors method. Listing the factors method. I hope that you have understood and you will try the remaining parts of this question, and after completing those parts you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. If you are having any problem, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your problem so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. Thank you very much.